What are your kids doing? So he wants to put rubber on his Power Wheels. Putting in a drill battery, bud? Welcome back to another Joyride video. We're back at it with another Power Wheels video because these Power Wheels videos have been pretty popular. I guess you guys like them, other people like them.
Dad, do you want to use my drill battery?
Yeah, we're gonna have to use the drill battery for the video that we're doing today. So, if you guys caught the previous video where we put the drill battery in, we actually ran the Power Wheels in a 60 foot, 100 foot. We're gonna put rubber on the tires now because he basically, you wore those tires out, didn't you, bud?
Uh-huh. We're going to make it do, maybe we're going to make it do that.
Oh, we've got the car tilted over on its side. Look at these tires. He has worn these things out. How'd you do that, bud?
I don't know.
Perfect answer. He doesn't know, Mama. He doesn't know. This video is not my fault. It's the big guy at Lowe's that works in the electrical department. This is all because of him.
The rubber on it?
Yes, this was all his idea. Wheelie bars and all. If this thing does wheelies, we're gonna probably have to put some wheelie bars on it. What? What? Huh?
You're gonna put a wheelie bar on it before it does a wheelie.
Come on. It's probably not gonna do a wheelie. Is this thing gonna do a wheelie? Liam tilted Lightning McQueen over. We have this old rubber that came off of an old bicycle tire, and we're gonna like screw it to the tire. Think that's gonna give us traction?
You think it can take up the whole tire?
Yeah, we're gonna get some traction on this thing, buddy. Guy coming in high. That's a 2-year-old right there drifting. Let me show you what we picked up at Lowe's. This right here, these nuts and bolts. This right here is going to be for the wheelie bars if we have to do them. But
and what is this for?
These screws right here are going to be for mounting the rubber onto the plastic. They're self-tapping. Those caster wheels right there are going to be for your wheelie bars if we need wheelie bars.
Are these going to be on the back right here?
Yeah, we're going to put them on the back. We're going to have to figure out a way to mount them. I don't know. Here, let me see. I'm not sure how we're going to mount these, but we're going to probably have to mount these on the back somewhere.
Maybe we could put a bar on the back and put them in.
We'll figure it out, bud. We'll get something on there. We'll get you some wheelie bars.
Can I take the sticker off?
Yeah, you can take them off.
Here, Dada.
Put it on.
Right here. Okay, move, move, move. Liam's getting me to move.
There we go. I mean, it's not the, yep, we got it all mounted. It's not the prettiest thing, but hey, it's on there. Laura wants me to go ahead and put the wheelie bars on there, so I'm just trying to figure out where to put those and how to mount them. So that's what I'm gonna try to figure out right now. So Mama says we gotta put the wheelie bars on, so that's what we're doing.
I think we need that shorter, right, Mama?
Here we go. Rubber's installed, wheelie bars installed. What do you think, bud? I think it looks pretty cool. That looks pretty wicked. We're done with the install, so now time to put the drill battery in the Power Wheels. We have to, for the first test, we can't have Liam in there, okay? So I'm gonna have to pull Liam out. You guys are about to see something that you don't normally see on the Joyride channel, and that's gonna be a baby throwing a fit. Because he is going to get mad. And we're only doing this for his sake. You're gonna get in Lightning McQueen, you're gonna race, okay? You gonna race? Okay, get in yours. Go get in yours, and you can race them. It's okay, bud. It's okay. Just scoot up a little bit. That's slow. All right, go ahead, floor it. It doesn't do wheelies.
Well, better safe than sorry.
Floor it. We're gonna do our Power Wheels drag race right now. We're gonna do a recap of what he ran with the factory battery, with the drill battery, and then now with the drill battery with rubber on the tires now that he's got traction. And we're gonna just see how much time he's gained. So we're gonna recap the previous races so you guys are up to par on those. Okay, this is 60 foot, 9.18 seconds, and 100 foot, 14 seconds. Ready, it's set, go! Liam took off. Whoa! 620. 10 flat. I don't know, what do you think he's gonna run? His best time so far was a 10 flat and the 100 foot, and then I think it was a 6 something. I think he's gonna gain like a second because it's not really gonna gain much speed, it's just gonna get off the line better. Full speed. So again, we've got the 60 foot marked out right here, and then right up in here, we've got the 100 foot mark. Here we go, we're getting ready to go. We've got Dylan back over here, we've got Tom, Laura. Dylan's at the 60 foot. He's got his stopwatch. Tom's at the 100 foot. Laura's over there recording. She's gonna get some video footage for us. I'm over here. I'm gonna tell these guys when to go. All right, get ready, get set, go. There we go, 6:03. Oh snap, 978. The results from adding the rubber tires, I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't look as fast as the plastic tires, but it's a slight bit faster. But you're actually not really going that much faster, you're just getting off the line a little bit quicker. But in my opinion, I think the plastic tires are a lot funner. Is funner a word?
Absolutely.
It's a lot more gooder and funner with the plastic tires. It's much, much gooder, isn't it, buddy? Tell them. I ain't afraid of fast.
I'm not afraid of fast.
So the car doesn't do wheelies, which we thought it was going to. I think once we give little man a little bit more time with it, I think we'll get him to do wheelies. It's one of those things that you gotta kind of actually assist it. He needs new tires. That thing is just swaying.
Good thing you got a tire machine.
Right?
He needs a Power Wheel tire sponsor.
Companies out there, reach out. Logan needs a sponsor.
P.O. box in the description below.
I'm gonna see if she do a wheelie. Liam's in the background yelling, wee, wee, wee. We're gonna bring this video to a wrap, Logan. I got one question for you. What's better, rubber tires or plastic tires?
Plastic tires.
Plastic? Why do you like the plastic ones better?
You can drift better.
That's a good reason. But Logan, you wanna ask everyone if they have any modification suggestions? What could we do to the Power Wheels next? Hey, bud. What are you doing?
Put a roof on it.
Put a roof on it? Yeah, look at this guy. Alright guys, we're gonna bring this video to a wrap. Drop your suggestions below. What would you guys like to see us do to the Power Wheels next? I was thinking put a bigger, I don't know. Whoa. Laura says roll cage. She's thinking safety. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. It's not that time yet, but we're about to get there. Anyways, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Now you can outro and go. Peace.